Here's a quick trick that I use to get the most used oil out of my car when doing an oil change.
Okay, so we got our oil and it's just barely dripping out. But basically what I do is on the side that's opposite to where the drain plug is facing, I just jack the car up a little bit.
Alright, so I'm just going to use the spare jack that comes with the car here. And as I lift it up on this side, you'll see how much more oil comes out. That light stream of oil also came out for about another 5 minutes, so that's pretty solid. Hard to say exactly how much came out. If I had to guess, I'd say maybe 0.3 quarts. But, you know, depending on the car, say somebody's capacity is only 4 quarts, well, that's a pretty decent amount. Another thing is I really didn't have to lift the car up that much on the one side, maybe about 5 inches. I don't even think the driver's side wheel got completely off the ground. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Basically the whole principle behind this trick is just to facilitate that drain angle. Whether you have to tilt your car forward, backwards, to the side, or the other side, it's just going to depend. But go ahead and drop a comment if this is a trick that you'd consider doing on your next oil change, and also let us know how much extra it gets out for you and your engine. Now also it would be cool to be able to measure that extra capacity that was drained out with like a separate container, so that's something I might do in the future. Alright, thanks for checking this out.